Hello everyone! Today, we will take you to learn more about Pansol Bridge Pier steel formwork and witness its extraordinary performance in bridge construction. Pansol Bridge Pier steel formwork is mainly customized, with a height of 2-10 meters. The width and thickness are customized according to the actual project, from 1-3 meters in width to 5-8 mm in thickness. No matter how complex the special shaped structure is, we can realize it through precise design and advanced manufacturing technology. At Pansol, we have an experienced and skilled design team. Faced with the requirements of various complex special-shaped bridge piers, designers carefully carve out every detail, from in-depth communication with customers in the early stage to accurate 3D modeling using advanced design software to ensure that the design solution perfectly meets the engineering requirements. Pansol Bridge Pier steel formwork has significant advantages. The good toughness of the steel makes the formwork less likely to deform when under pressure, effectively extending the service life of the formwork, reducing replacement costs, and fully ensuring construction safety and quality. In the application scenario of bridge construction, Pansol Bridge Pier column steel formwork is widely used in various types of bridge pier construction. Its unique splicing design makes the installation process simple and convenient, and the splicing is tightly fitted, effectively preventing leakage. The convenience of formwork support and dismantling is a highlight of Pansol special-shaped bridge pier column steel formwork. Compared with traditional special-shaped formwork, the efficiency of formwork support and dismantling is increased by 40%, which greatly saves construction time and labor costs. Thank you for watching. Pansol Bridge Pier steel formwork has better cost performance, and we look forward to your favor.